847.
Thank you for joining me for another episode of Festo's Garage. Today we're working on a 2008 Toyota Prius, and the problem with it is it won't start. So what we've done is we've taken and put a new 12-volt battery in the back. We've got an OBD2 code reader and a Dr. Prius app, and we're going to check it out and see if we can figure out why it doesn't start. So the first step of this is to plug this into our OBD2 port right down here under the power button, straight down. Got our key, stick it in the holder. Definitely got some power, so we'll turn the car on. And I can hear the relay clicking in the back and stuff, but nothing happens. The car just won't start up. I notice on the dashboard we have a red triangle of death, so that means that something probably is wrong with the hybrid battery. So that's what I'm going to use this Dr. Prius app to do. We're going to see if it has any codes in the car, and we're going to see what is the health of the battery. Here's what I've got. I see that my battery has 177 volts. That's not enough to start the engine. The engine starts from the hybrid battery, so that's just not going to do it. I also look down here and I can see all my modules, and each block is represented here. Each block is 2 battery cells, and I can see from this that I have at least 2 failed cells, if not 4, in these first 2 blocks. So that's probably going to be where our problem is. We're probably going to have some bad cells there. This car's been sitting for a while, so that's probably why they ran down. So we're going to go ahead and remove the battery and see if we stick another battery in, if that's what the problem is. We've replaced the hybrid cell in this car. We're going to go ahead and see if we can start it up now. I heard 4 clicks when I did that. Still have a triangle on the dash. Let's connect to our Dr. Prius app. The vehicle started up, it's running, and we're going to see if it says anything on the app. Old gas.
Almost 2 years now. Oh yeah, I do smell that now.
Alright, we're looking real good. We got a pack voltage of 228.09 volts. We've got no red modules, and all the modules are charging up and discharging like they should. See it.
Wasn't it 2 bars that were actually red?
So you got either
like
2 or 4 bad cells, yeah. What they did was they put 28 batteries, but every other battery, they put a lead. And they read those 2 batteries, it's supposed to be 16 volts. We verified that's what the problem is with this car. It started up, seems to be running real good, just needs the hybrid battery replaced. So if your Prius doesn't start, maybe get your hybrid battery checked with your Dr. Prius app. Make sure you got at least 200 volts to get it started up. If you've watched the video to this point, I'd like to say thank you very much. If you haven't already, please click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, GreggFesto out.